What community looks like. This is what community looks like. What community looks like. This is what community looks like. Are y'all ready? Are you ready? Everybody here, can we stand together for a picture? And that's the picture I want the media to use. It's not about me, it's not about you, it's about everybody that came together. Now can we line up for a picture with our hands in the air?
But until we can band together and our best beliefs to the parents for what they are, we will never be safe. But Catholic, you don't know the difference when you say parents. But I do. In every face, I see my own family. In every single crime, I fear myself. I may not be hurt, but every bone inside of my body is aching. There are meaningful lives lost due to anti-Asian crime, the lives lost due to hate. Thank you.
All I need is someone to love me back.
I love you, Andre!
But when you love someone back, you stop the pain. You stop the hurt. So I want you to look at your neighbor and tell your neighbor, I'm sorry. Forgive me. I forgive you. And I love you. Can you truly do that for me? For yourself, for each other?
I love you, brother! Hey, I love you, brother!